3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi there, it's Simon here. How are you today? I thought we would learn Riptide by Vance Joy. This is actually a request from Haley, so shout out to you. Let's check out the lesson. See you in a second. All right, now we're going to learn Riptide by Vance Joy. It's a pretty straightforward situation. We've got an A minor, we've got a G, and we've got a C. Now, we can make this, as always, as hard as we like, or we can just play like this. We can play bass, down, up, A minor, G, bass, down, up, C, and then C. Bass, down, up, bass, down, up. Okay? So that we've got A minor, bass, down, up, G, C. Up, bass, down, up. Okay, now when you return back to the A, if you like, you can make it more complicated by kind of doing a little hammer on there. Also, should point out that he's playing this on a ukulele, and this, whilst it's a small guitar, is not a ukulele, so it will sound a little bit different, but the chords are correct. So we've got that strumming pattern, down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? Now, in terms of the actual song itself, we're going to start off with basically 8 bars intro. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. We repeat that. Okay, and then we're ready for the singing. Now, that strumming, that 4-bar round, we get that 5 times for the verse. So, okay, and then we have another 8 bars of that. And then on the 5th time round, that's when the low vocal comes in. Yeah. And then on the 6th time, we've got A minor, G, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. By the way, I should mention, if you would like the chart for this song, just let me know and I will email it over to you. You need to go to www.simonmorell.com/free-chart and I will send it to you. All right, now, then we've hit the chorus, so we get A minor. It's exactly the same. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and we get 4 lots of that. Yeah. And then we're going to go back into the verse again. Play that 4-bar round 5 times. On the 6th time, that's when you get that low, and then you get another chorus. So we're going to play the A minor, G, C again. Now, all of these chords, what you can do, if you lift a finger out of any of them, you'll hear they still sound pretty nice. Oh, I should mention I'm playing G this way around, but you could play that way around too. It doesn't really matter. Just using different fingers, same chord. Vance is not going to come around your house and tell you off. All right, so that's what I was saying. All of these, you can, because we're in the key of C, and so all those notes is going to sound good. So, you know, you can make it literally as complicated as you like. All right, so then we hit the bridge after the second chorus. And he has a little riff that he plays on the ukulele, and I think it's actually quite tricky to play on the guitar because the way the ukulele is tuned is different, so the strings are in just slightly different order. But what you could do here is like that. So I'm basically playing open D string, hammering on, hitting it again, and then hitting the G on the up. So I've got just like that. Yeah? You could actually, instead of hitting the only individual strings, you could kind of make a strumming thing out of it, yeah? So you get that end of the chorus. And then see what I mean? So, okay, so if you like, I know it sounds higher. Yeah, you could do it there. Any way you like. Then we are going to play that little bridge. So first time round, we've got A minor, G, C, F, A minor. So second time ending, A minor, G, it's going to be the same chords, C, and then just one F. 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. So let's just rerun that bridge again. We've got A minor, G, he actually plays the sus4 there. Could do that. So I put my first finger on the first fret of the B string, second finger on the fourth. Second, you can see I haven't done this for a while. This is the first video I filmed in 2021. We're going to go for the open D string. So that, there you go. God, for a moment there, I forgot how to teach guitar. Weird. Okay, so we've got A minor, G, C, F. Now, you play a bar chord F, you could play an almost bar chord F, you could play a grab chord F, you play a little F. If that is still a bit icky for you, I'm sure we don't mind if we get away with a bit of a lazy F. It's actually an F major 7. It will sound fine, so that you have that bridge, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2. See, it's okay. And then we hit the verse again. We're just going to play 8 bars of the verse, and he just hits on the 1. Okay, so we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then he goes back into the chorus, plays the chorus, he plays that 4-bar round 12 times. Me to play it 12 times, but he plays it 12 times. On the final time, he repeats the last line of the verse. And that is how it goes. So if you like the chart, do send me a little note, www.simonmorel.com/free-chart. If you would like to support the channel, that would be awesome. Go to www.patreon.com/simonmorel. Where you can support the channel for as little as $3 a month. Really makes a massive difference to me, so I do appreciate any support I receive. And also don't forget to subscribe here at Simon Morel Guitar on YouTube. There are 2 lessons every week. I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy learning this tune. Bye.